Hello everyone of YouTube, your boy Pinkbird is back here in the town, and I have some very important news to tell you about of something that I've recently discovered on the internet. I'm not doing this alone this time around, as my bestie on the internet, Courtney, is here to join me today.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Courtney.
So, let's get to the topic. So, the image you see on screen right now, does this image look very familiar to you? I bet it does, because this is a little show called Timmy Time. It is a 2009 CBeebies created spin-off that was launched in April of that year based off of Shaun the Sheep and Wallace and Gromit. It follows the adventures of Timmy and all his animal friends going on adventures in the nursery. This show has been a staple part of my childhood, including Courtney's when we watched it back then. In 2019, the show got rebooted with a narration and a 5-minute short segment. And let me tell you, it was unneeded. The 10-minute episodes are doing their own injustice, and we don't need actual narration for the narration spine on Timmy, this duck thing, this hedgehog, these two owls, this dog, and this bitch who eats everything. But we are not here to talk about the show's history, because we have received, or should I say, we have discovered news from a article on Cartoon Brew that really has surprised and confused the hell out of us. This is the article that I'm talking about right here. It's called Aardman Turns 50, but its Annecy presentation was all about the future. And this was uploaded by this guy on the 21st of June 2026. And basically talks about Aardman turning 50, Annecy and stuff. But there is something in this little thing that really surprised us. And Courtney, would you do the honors of saying what we are talking about?
It's a spin-off of a spin-off.
That's right. Remember when I was talking in the beginning about Timmy Time? Apparently, Artman is getting to work on a spin-off show of a spin-off show. And the spin-off show they're talking about is Timmy Time. So this article right here has information about this spin-off called Let's Go Timmy. And the thing about this article that I want to point out real quick is that they literally say at the very start, a spin-off of a spin-off is always a good idea, and the IP Aaron Arma has gone in on the act. Which, should I remind you, we have never, ever heard of that thing before.
Never.
Let's Go Timmy is, like the image shown here, focuses on a side character in the Shaun the Sheep universe, just like with Timmy Time, with Shaun himself being an extension of Wallace and Gromit. Well, blah 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 blah. It's aimed at preschoolers and distributed through the BBC in Britain. Let's Go Timmy is most significant for its heavy use of 2D animation alongside stop framework you'd expect from Artman. This article that goes over Let's Go Timmy has one of the developers explaining, quote, "We use 2D to see the world through Timmy's eyes, and even Bitzer," which would explain why Bitzer is on the art shown here. Who's got to watch over him, gets absorbed into the joy and beauty of the moment. The 2D elements in Let's Go Timmy take on a wonderful innocent crayon feel unlike anything we've seen from the studio before. And this is the image that we are talking about right here. So this image basically is like a more detailed version of the Shaun the Sheep world, and in here it's like a 2D Wonderland like you'd see in a Bubble Guppies pop song. Um, when I first got hold of this article while reading the Wikipedia page of Timmy Time, when I saw this right here of how there was an announcement that a spin-off of Timmy Time, this thing right here, is going to come out. Our initial thoughts on this is really strange. How about I explain my thoughts first, and then I'm gonna let Courtney do the honors? Or would you go first about this spin-off? Courtney, would you like to talk about this one first?
Picky, you could go ahead and go first. I can wait.
Okay. So when I heard of this news of the spin-off Timmy Time apparently getting a spin-off, I was very confused and a little bit concerned because like this is like the most random shit that I've ever seen. Like Timmy Time Timmy Time was already a spin-off, and then literally out of nowhere today we getting another spin-off that is apparently going to like feature Bitzer, the dog from like the main Shaun the Sheep series. I have never heard of a concept called a spin-off of a spin-off, and I'm just literally just sitting here and think to myself, what the fuck are you guys gonna do with a spin-off of a spin-off? Like, Timmy Time was made entirely from the ground up. Bright, colorful colors, various amounts of characters like duck, dog, pig, owls, this bitch again, a fox, and a guy. Yeah, I just call the by random acronyms because I can, and you guys cannot tell me. Various diverse of characters, great storytelling, and nice music and other stuff. Like Timmy Time was a really nice spin-off to like the original show. But then when it comes to this, I'm just literally sitting here, I'm like, what the fuck is happening? I'm gonna be personally blunt here. This is the kind of like thing that makes me think somebody at Artman, and I can't believe I'm going to be saying this out loud, took 15 tons of cocaine and decided that this spin-off called Timmy Time should get a spin-off. And the only thing I can really do is like wait and see of how this is gonna turn out, but all I know is that Apricot and Yappa are going to be returning. Also, come to look at this, I think they kinda gave Yappa a slight redesign. Like, I don't know if this is the same Yappa from the original series or or like a different design of Yappa. I don't really fucking know, but all I'm gonna say is I'm gonna see what they're gonna be doing with Let's Go Timmy very carefully. Because this is honestly a hilariously stupid idea that I honestly should probably have not been made in the first place. But if it turns out to be really interesting, then hey, they probably worked out something with a spin-off of a spin-off, or as I would like to, or as we would like to call it, a spin-off or a spin-off. And that's basically all I had to say. So Courtney, now you go and do the honors of telling everyone your thoughts of Let's Go Timmy.
Yo, this finna be interesting. This finna be interesting as fuck. I don't know what to expect with Let's Go Timmy, but yo, all I'm just gonna say is get ready if you're planning on watching it. Get ready because
Yeah.
we
Yeah, you said it. You said it. Continue.
Cause we don't know what they might be cooking up. I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna be good or bad. I don't know if it's gonna be in a mixture of between and both. But I know one thing. I never heard of a goddamn a spinoff of a spinoff. Okay, y'all. Cause that is interesting. I never heard of that before. Never ever in my life. This is gonna be interesting, y'all. Y'all better get ready. Y'all better get y'all ass prepared. Y'all better get y'all asses prepared, cause whoo, this is gonna be interesting. I don't have much to say, but that's all I gotta say. Oh boy.
Very well said. I'm honestly gonna say the same thing. Get yourself prepared for the spin-off of a spin-off. And maybe we would react to like the first episode or something once we have it available. I might have to edit like the visuals because of like copyright being a bitch, so to say. But we would try anything to let you guys hear our reactions to Let's Go Timmy whenever this thing eventually releases because there's no official air date provided. But
Yeah, and we love y'all. And we want to provide y'all with everything we got. So,
I think Courtney just had to say that. So yeah, this spin-off of a spin-off is really confusing. I just hope that it has the same oomph and excitement and the same good qualities that Timmy Time delivers. Because the fact that this is actually happening is something that I can literally not wrap my head around instantly. I need time to progress, like process that this is going to be happening. So, that's all we can say for this video. Get yourselves prepared to watch Let's Go Timmy like me and Courtney are gonna be doing. And see you next time for another video of either us playing Fortnite or something like this because we might be doing this more often in the future.
yeah!
So until then, have yourself a fantastic day. Enjoy Timmy Time or Shaun the Sheep Eve or anything else in case you don't like Timmy Time or anything. We tolerate all your opinions and we'll see you over at the nursery.
Bye
Bye!
bye!